Katie with Kansas Hydrographics. And we have our baby blue zebra pattern for you. It's not wanting to cooperate with me. It is a full meter wide. This is, I mean, I'm kind of biased, but I think it's a really pretty pattern. Hopefully you'll get a better look when it's actually printed on a speed shape, but this might actually look white to you, but it is a baby blue, and the white pieces are transparent. And this is it's a pretty opaque ink. I'm gonna say you could probably dip that on about any color. You could probably even go with black, and that would look neat. But we're gonna do it on white today. We tried to do a 1 minute soak time, and then we dip obviously immediately after that. Shooting with about 17 psi. Hydrogator activator. Needs a good rinse, but that is the baby blue zebra. It is a very light blue, and so I would probably recommend that actually on darker colors. I should have grabbed a black speed sheet, but I'm sure that would look fine. If you ever have any questions on what base coat, we're happy to try it out for you. So you can always give us a call or shoot us an email, and we can make sure that it is compatible. But anywho, that print's really nice. That will be in the animal section, and that's at kansashydrographics.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.